High five. Yeah. Banana ice cream. Is that nice? Yeah, I'm not working today because my dad is coming, and not only my dad this time, but my dad, Gemma, Sophie, Sarah, and Cara. All of them are coming to visit us. So my dad and Gemma and my little sisters. It's the first time they're gonna meet you. And because I've got the day off, I'm letting Shar have the, well, not letting her, I'm giving her a lie in right now, because normally I'd be off to work, you know, and Archie's still not sleeping the best. I don't know if I put this in the vlog, but I've been working quite late at night, so this is my new bedroom. I've been sleeping on the sofa for like 2 weeks now because of my work, you know. Hopefully if this boy starts sleeping a bit better, I will join you guys again. Yeah. Okay guys, they're almost here, and like true Cami and Shar fashion, we're gonna stalk them.
Oh my god, they're almost here. Quick.
Oh my goodness, quick! Get the candles on, babes, quick! Babes!
Stop, are you being serious?
Yeah, they're around the corner.
No, stop.
Get the matches, quick, give me the matches!
No, stop, and turn the thing off.
What?
Turn the camera off.
Archie, you're about to meet your Scottish family! Where are they?
Look! You see all the people?
Hello! Hey! Hey, rascals! Hi! Who's that, Art?
He does do a high five when you do this.
High five! Do a high five! Yeah!
Good boy, Art.
He's always better with women. We got something a little for you guys for going to your Airbnb.
Oh, lovely.
Little starter pack for you guys.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, we just had one bottle.
Oh, really?
Oh, they love it, yeah.
Try to climb over there.
Archie.
Oh. She looks really different, baby.
She looks really different.
Junie.
It's a face area, that's what it is, I think.
Yeah, no, her muzzle's a bit hairier.
Wow, nice though, I like it.
It's beautiful.
Really nice.
Well, that would have taken ages to make that one.
Yeah, there's no way I could
It's
make
made out of small children's teeth.
Oh, it suits your what you're wearing as
I
well.
like this though.
Peekaboo. Who are you?
Oh, he loves that peekaboo.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. Thanks, Cara. Handmade this. Mine, Dada.
Yeah, like your
Arch.
no? Yes. He loves like little like.
Oh,
toys.
Juniper's nibbling the teddy. Yeah,
Yeah, she wants all his toys.
and it's a teddy bear from Cara as well. Give him a cuddle. Oh, nice. We love a teddy bear. Who doesn't love a teddy bear?
June.
She gets so jealous, does she?
Okay, guys. The fam are checking into their Airbnb, doing a shop. Charlotte came up with a really fun idea that we're going to surprise them with when they come back. So we told them we're going to make dinner for them, but they don't know what the plan is. So what's the plan, babes?
Cover the whole table with tin foil, and then we're gonna put chips and just old Dutch snacks, so to give them like an introduction to the Netherlands. It's gonna be nice.
So Char's wiping the table. She wanted me to film this.
No, stop! You're such a C.
A C.
Yeah.
Char always comes up with the most fun ideas for kids, don't you, babes? You know, that's one thing actually that you and your sister do really well. Like, you know, like how your sister brought hot chocolate and whipped cream to ice skating. And now you're thinking of this. This is such a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I just picked up the chips, the frites, and I got some satay sauce as well. So we're gonna put that on. And Charlotte's got her boobies out right now, so I can't really film her, but Archie's having his dinner quickly on the sofa. And then we're gonna pour everything on the table for when they arrive as a surprise. And I'm gonna film their reaction when they come in. Just that one piece, yeah? What is that? I've decided to do the whole name. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, they're coming. Oh my goodness, they're coming. Okay guys, stay here, yeah? And then just wait in the waiting area and I'll come and get you, okay?
What's happening?
What is that? What is that?
Oh my.
Wow.
Lovely.
What sort of sauce is it?
This is satay sauce.
Satay sauce. So yeah, we had that. That's real chips.
Yeah. You eat yours.
I'm dipping everything. You taste like the sausage.
I love that game.
Just distracted me.
I grounded to on that.
He loves it. So that's us in Maastricht. We're gonna go and meet the Alkies, having a beer at 9 in the morning.
Good health, everyone.
Cheers.
Cheers, Lillian. Cheers. The Essence in Maastricht. Oh, you know what it looks like? It looks like coral, doesn't it? A little bit.
What's metal?
Oh.
Metal?
Time to go to the zoo. High five. Explain that to my sisters.
Guys.
What kind of game are they playing? Babe, this one looks like you.
Berg op het de grill was. Weet je het zelf? Hij heeft zelf gekookt.
Oh, babesy.
Oh my god.
Just like the last bit of the...
Oh my goodness, Cara, he's looking right at you. That is so cool. We never seen a baby last time.
Nee. Oh. It's playing.
He usually loves that noise. Oh, wow.
That's what I was saying to my sister. Like he can be like a little bit of a rascal sometimes, but when he's with other people, he's like shy, you know. Oh. Look, he's really looking at him. He's following. Look at that one here.
Whoa. We're in Germany for the day. Woohoo!
Oh, I think he wants to go and see Gemma.
Where's your Auntie Sarah?
I'm on holiday. Let's have a look.
Oh, she's not laughing at your photo.
Look very handsome, Archie.
That's what she said to you when you were on her way at the door. Achtung. Das gut. Das gut.
Is that a present for Archie?
It's a gecko.
What do you say to Opa and Oma?
Yeah.
Haribo. Oh, God, Dad. Can I try one? Cara, can you explain what's going on here?
I found it. It's only 95p.
What did you get?
Alcohol.
What is this? Ew! It's like a booger. Ew!
Kilos, do you know what that is? It's like Greek, like it's like meat, and it's like with Greek herbs. It's nice. And then it's like, oh, I don't know. Crispy bits.
What did you go for, babes?
No idea.
Father, have you tasted yours yet? Nice?
Yeah. Not convinced this is chicken, but
That's yours. It's for you.
I think it's supposed to go the other way around.
Oh! Okay guys, we had a bit of a disaster. There's no coffee because the coffee machine died. I was gonna surprise Shar because I quickly ordered a new machine and I was gonna surprise her. But she was so desperate this morning, she was scrambling on Facebook Marketplace for coffee machines. So I ended up having to just tell her. But it's arrived. Thank goodness for bol.com, which is like the Dutch Amazon. It's arrived and we're gonna set it up and have a coffee so that we can survive today. 1, 2, 3. Ooh! Here she is.
Thank
There you go, my darling. Mooch, guess where we are? We're at Opa Peep!
Hooray!
Yay! And Opa Essen and Oma Essen is supposed to be here already, but they had a bit of an emergency situation with a squishy that exploded all over their hire car, so they're now trying to get the car cleaned and change outfits and stuff at a shop in Maastricht. And then tonight is Mexican night. Hey Cooks! Guess where we're going? We're heading to the pancake house.
We're
heading to the pancake house. Oh my goodness. Is it nice? Yours looks so nice. Bye Sarah. Bye Daddy. Bye Jemmy. Bye Cara. Bye Sophie.
Bye.
Super nice seeing my family, hanging out with them, Archie meeting them, and we're gonna see them again in a few weeks, so it's cool. And thanks for watching this vlog, and maybe we'll see you next week.